Hey everybody. I bought myself this desk organizer thing, which is super pretty, I think. And I'm gonna use it instead. I mean, I don't really use a desk or my extra monitor for work. I'm just going to use it for my makeup. And you know what? I don't think, oh, am I on screen? I don't think this was a part of the picture. It looks like something I can remove though, and I probably will, because I don't want to have this branded as an office thing when I have, you know, I'm not using it for office stuff. Oh, that's also, this is cool. It came with a phone holder, like a proppy up thing. So if I ever actually invest in a camera and film on camera, then I can prop my phone up here. That's cool, and it has a little nubbin. That's nice. All right, let's put all the garbage in this bag. It also came with like some office supplies, which is what these things are. It's not a bag that you can open. It's not. There was no opening. It's a pretty cute case. I'm not gonna put it here, you know, I'm gonna put it someplace else. But that's good. What does it say? To avoid suffocation. Yeah. Don't put the bags over your head, children. All right. This is cool, and it has a drawer here. Very nice. And I'm gonna put my palettes back here where you put files, I guess. Or where you would put files. All right, so now that it's open, let me try to set it up. Maybe I want to put them this way. Yeah. Beautiful. Okay, my large powders and my Micron stuff seem to like want to sit here. Oh, you know, I should get a tweezer plier thing for this logo first. Maybe I could use the back of this. Yes, I can. Still on screen? Can't tell. Okay. Office Almighty, you're not. Nope. Not Almighty Office. Okay, brushes might want to go here because I don't really have a cup for them. I don't know what I want to do though. My nasty face paints, I should probably put in this drawer down here so that nobody can see them until I need to use them. Let's open my stuff. Let's see what I got. Let's see, things in my makeup bag that I want to remove and actually use in a video. I don't need this liner. This liner can stay in there. Sephora. Wasn't there another little eyebrow pencil? Yeah, these were samples I got at an Ulta. But the rest should stay in my makeup bag so that I could take it on a whim. All right. Maybe, actually this should go back in my makeup bag for traveling. So maybe brushes and mascaras can go up here because I use them the most. Let's just see here. I also have the Glisten Cosmetics palette will go with my face paints. They're water activated. I can't really use them on the go, you know. I need to have like a whole setup. This is my other little table thing that I have. Okay, these are brushes I used and I have to clean them. So let me put them over here. I have a lot of lip liners. This mesh that I used to create that fish pattern. I still want to keep it, but it doesn't need to be out all the time. So maybe let's open this other makeup bag that I have. Yumi Kim, which I don't know the brand or anything. This came with some subscription box I ordered at one point. Let's see what's in here. This can go in there. All right, I have some big brushes. Oh, eyebrow stuff. I've always been meaning to do more eyebrow stuff. Let's take these brushes out of here. So what is this? A mini matte blur stick. I think the primer. Beauty blender, which I never really got to, you know. I should take it out though. That way, maybe I use it again. And I know I have my other brushes in here. So these are all my small ones. Let's put those in one container. These are big fluffy ones. Well, maybe I'll put the brushes side to side like that. These are the ones I don't really use that much, but blush and... Remember when I did the video on this one? I always thought this one was going to be cooler. It's like a kabuki brush. It's very dense. And for contouring, but nah. Oh, okay. Some concealers. Let's put this brush in here. Oh, a blush. Bare Minerals blush. Okay, this makeup bag is now pretty empty. Let me zip it up. And I think my boyfriend is texting me, so let me get back to this. So yeah, this is my setup for now. And I put the rest of the makeup I thought that would fit into this cute, you know, what is this, desk organizer. Hid away some stuff that I don't like the look of, like my face paint Ziploc baggie. And, you know, and then these are the things that I use the most are in here. And then my other little stuff is over there, like lipsticks and a lot more liners. And yeah. Ooh, sorry for those of you as I rotate my screen. And this is where I film so far. This is my dining room. I'm still moving into this apartment, so yeah, this isn't the final setup. I will be in the other room. It's like the guest room. I just need to get a desk and things first. So anyway, thanks for watching me organize my makeup. I really like this look a lot better. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comments down below.